Hi, I want to talk to you a bit about the document Report Projects because it contains the important information about both the proposal and the report itself. And you in business know a business never undertakes any activity that might cost money without having a persuasive proposal approved first. And you all know that if it isn't persuasive, it doesn't get accepted. You're going to focus on one business problem, or as we always say in business, opportunity. First, you'll write the proposal, and then you'll write the actual report. The document will list the 6 objectives of the proposal. You have a list of both proposal topics that are possible and examples from my past classes of what was actually selected. The document has 6 specific submission guidelines. I'm not going to insult your intelligence and read them to you. The proposal will require a minimum of 7 APA citations. That means both in text and in the biography. You have ample library resources to help you do that. And if you have issues, you can always contact the librarian. The university has set up a very rigorous system to help during this time of global and national health crisis. In addition, you're presented with 4 critical items you have to check off the box on. It tells you the number of words, up to 2,000, and you have to have all the required sections. The document then moves on to the actual analytical report. You all know that in business it's, I think this, I think that doesn't work. It has to be analytical. Again, for the analytical report, you're given 7 objectives. The formatting information is found in 3 chapters, 10, 11, and 12. In my mind, one of the important ones is your use of graphics. When I was with Shell, I sat through a lot of papers, a lot of presentations with a lot of graphic slide decks, and you probably have too. Once again, the document lists all that you need to have in that report, from the title page to the appendix, if you need an appendix. And once again, it's all in APA. Now, this report is a minimum of 3,000 words, about 1,000 more words than your proposal. And now you have to find 10 credible sources. And a minimum of those 10 must be business research journals. I should correct myself, not necessarily business, but certainly professional journals, all of which can be found in the FHSU digital database. And again, if you have trouble, you have a librarian. You're going to need 3 color charts or graphs and a minimum of 2 tables. You all are in business, you know what I mean. Those dominate business reports and business presentations. Now, this is super important. You cannot cut and paste a graph from the internet. You have to create these documents. For example, if you know how to make spreadsheets, they'll be made into charts or graphs. And I'm sure somebody in your team would know how to do that. Well, I hope this lays things out and explains decently. I'm going to look forward to read your proposals and to read your analytical reports.